let's get started. First, we're going to start about here and come down. Now we're going to make a curve like this, and then from that curve a line out, and you can connect that one. Now we're going to make a line down, and then we're going to make a line across like this. From that line we're going to draw kind of like a little loop, and then go in between where your lines meet and go up, up, around a bit, and down. And then once you have that, you can connect to the first line you made. Now we're going to make a line from here that goes up and into the curved line, and then come back. If your lines don't touch, you can make them touch. There we go. Next, we're going to start here and make a line down. Right here at the top, we're going to come up, around, and stop. We're going to make a curved line all the way down like this. Now we're going to start here and make a curved line down, and then come back up into the middle of the rows, and then we're going to go out, around, and down. Now from this point we're going to go up, curve, 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 and up. Now I'm going to make these lines meet. If yours doesn't, you can just join it together like I did. Now we're going to make a line starting here and go up, up into the top. Now from this curved line, I'm going to make it go up and meet, and then I'm going to come back on that curve and follow it all the way down and end it where I started. Now I'm going to make a line from here going around and up like this. Then I'm going to curve and go up like that, and then curve all the way into your flower. Now I'm going to make a line starting here and go down, and then I'm going to start at this point and go down again. Now let's start back up at the top and go up and make a point, and then come out. And then from this edge, you're going to come in a bit all the way down and stop right about there where this line is kind of. And then once you stopped, you can connect that line, and then you can keep going down with that line to about right there. Now we're going to start here and go across, up, and out, and then we're going to cross back in and connect those 2 points. There we go. I'm going to connect this point like that. Now let's draw another petal coming out from this side and go out like this, and then go in a bit and curve around. Another petal is going to come from here and go out, and then we're going to go around, and then we're going to go around again And then we're going to go in just a bit. And then curve a line down and then make it curve back up and around like this for some of the green leaves. Again, here's another green leaf. And I'm just curving back up around into it. I'm going to have one more leaf that's green coming out. Curve back in, around and in. I'm going to make my rose a little fuller right here. Let's start by creating another petal. I'm going to go up and then continue from that line going up and down, just like this. Now I'm going to start here and go out, back in just like this. One more petal starting from about here, going around and out, up and over, and then come right back in. Look at that rose that you just created. That's amazing. Now let's start from the middle of the rose, which is here. And then I'm going to draw a straight line down and then draw another line that's parallel to that one. And then let's draw a jagged line like this. Another line up. I'm going to make another leaf here. Another one. And then make it curve. I'm going to start from the point that I started with and go down, up, and around. And then you can connect the stem. There we go. I'm going to make a line that's curved down the middle like this, and then little V patterns hanging on the middle of the line. Perfect. I'm going to make another leaf coming out from here by going up, and then continue making those jagged lines like this all the way out and come back in. There we go. I'm going to make one more just to make it so full by going up and over, and then make little jag marks again. They don't have to be perfect, it's just however you want your leaf to be. And make it round in to the middle. I'm going to make that same line with the V's on them inside of each of these leaves. More V's. There we go. Now for the stem, pretend like it's going to come down. There we go. I'm actually going to create another smaller rose that comes out like this. Sometimes roses have ones that haven't budded yet or bloomed, and they're just like a little small bud. That's what this one's going to be. So I drew two lines and then a line up, another line up, and then in the middle we're going to make like a curve, and then another curve in, and then from that curve go up past the point of this one all the way up, and then come down like a little triangle. There we go. Make a line that goes out and down just like this. We're going to make a leaf pattern by making a curve and down and around. Now we're going to make another curve that goes up, and then we're going to bring it back in just like the other one. There we go. And then connect all your lines together. Make sure there's no gaps. There we go. Looks good. Let's start coloring it in. Thank you for drawing with me today. I hope you enjoyed this drawing. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already for new drawings. I'm Marissa, and I will see you next time. Bye.